Hi, Doops.
Hi.
You're feeling bored?
Yes, Papa. It has been months since we have gone out.
Yeah, it's boring. Really boring, huh?
Yeah, Papa, it's really boring. Amma doesn't allow me to watch TV for a long time. No online classes. Now what will I do, Papa?
I have an idea.
Idea?
Yeah. Can we do some science experiments?
Science experiments? Yes, Papa. We can do it.
We'll shoot it in the mobile and put it in YouTube also.
Yes, Papa. That is a great idea.
Come.
Come, let's go.
You stand here and watch what I'm going to do. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, this is vegetable oil. Okay.
Okay.
So now we'll mix some food coloring to that.
Yeah.
See, I have put 3 drops of red color. Don't shake it through.
Okay.
Now I'll put some blue color.
Okay.
Put red and blue. Now I'll put some green color. And we'll put yellow color also. We have 4 colors: green, red, blue, and
Yellow.
yellow. But actually, yellow looks like red or orange only. Okay, so 4 drops of orange, yellow also. Now, what I'm going to do is, we'll keep these bottles aside so that, okay. Now we'll stir the colors. See? So the color will form as particles. It is great, right?
Yeah.
Now I am going to pour this into the bottle. Now see what happens, okay?
Okay.
See? See? How is it, Drew?
Yeah, great.
It looks like as if the watercolors are dancing, right?
Yeah.
This is called as magical underwater fireworks. Food color doesn't dissolve in oil. It is denser than oil, and bit by bit droplets will submerge to the bottom of the oil layer where they meet water and start coloring it. Isn't it very interesting to watch? Yeah, it looks superb.
experiment?
It was super.
Okay. Now we'll check another one.
Okay.
Okay. See, this is vegetable oil. Oh, sorry. We'll take some vinegar. Okay. Little bit, like almost. See, vinegar has gone down because it is denser than oil. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll take some green color. Okay.
Okay.
I'll put a little bit of green color. 3 drops will do. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll take yellow. See, it has gone down. The color drops have gone down. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Now I'll drop some yellow color. See, it has gone down.
Yeah.
It has gone down. See, some drops are at the top also. Now what I will do is I will take a tablespoonful of baking soda. Okay, this will do. This is baking soda. Now we'll pour some water to this. I'll mix it thoroughly. Okay. Now I am going to drop this to this. Okay.
Okay.
Check what is happening.
Oh.
This is called lava lamp. Okay.
Okay.
You know the principle?
Vinegar and baking soda react to make carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide rises to the top of the glass as bubbles, carrying the food coloring in it. Once the bubble pops, the food coloring sinks to the bottom. You can see it is sinking down. After rising to the top, all it is coming down.
Friends, how was experiments? It was nice and cool, right? You can also try this at home, but ask your parents to assist you.
Okay, let's wind up now. We'll see you in the next video with more ideas and great thoughts. Bye.
Bye.